Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to your English class. My name is PerlaVázquez. I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot. Remember that you have to take notes about this video, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know during the virtual class. So today we are going to continue working on the unit number 8. The title is How Do You Feel? And as I told you before, during this week we are going to learn the vocabulary of this unit. Remember that the objective is students will be able to use feelings, vocabulary to talk about their emotions. So now let's start. I would like to ask you this question. In which parts of the body do we experience emotions? Here we have a picture in which we have love, depression, pride, and shame. And with different colors like yellow, red, or blue, we point in which parts of the body we feel that emotion. What do you think? Are you agree or disagree? Do you think that is true or is false? I would like to know your answer during the Zoom. So let's continue. We are going to do a quick review in order to remember the vocabulary that we have learned the last class. We learned the word anger. Anger is a noun and means a strong feeling that makes you want to hurt someone or be unpleasant because of something unfair or unkind that has happened. We also learned the word angry. Do you remember what does it mean? Exactly, to be angry, it means to be furious, get angry, being mad is also a strong feeling against someone who has behaved badly. Remember that angry is an adjective. We also learned the word embarrassment, and this is a noun, and this is a state of feeling foolish in front of the others. We also learned the word embarrassed. Embarrassed is an adjective, and that we use this adjective to describe people who exhibit a red face, like in the pictures. We also learned the word excitement, that is a noun. It means a feeling of being excited or an exciting event. And we learned the adjective excited. Do you remember what does it mean? Exactly, means feeling very happy and enthusiastic about something. We also, the last word that we have learned the last class is fear. Fear is a noun and means an unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. So now please take notes because we are going to learn the new vocabulary. Remember that you can write the definition or the keywords, or also you can write examples. Yes, as you prefer. The new word today is happiness. Happiness is a noun and means the feeling of being happy. Here we have also some examples. For example, all she needed to complete her happiness was a baby. I've always believed that happiness counts more than money. And we have another example that says, Eleni depends upon Bob completely for her happiness. What is your idea of perfect happiness? And the last one is, she has brought us so much happiness over the years. So remember that happiness is a noun. We also have the adjective happy. Happy means feeling, showing, or causing pleasure. And also I wrote some examples of this adjective. For example, a happy marriage, a happy childhood. She looks so happy. Nikki seems a lot happier since she met Steve. You'll be happy to know that Jean is coming with us. I'm perfectly happy to help out. I'm so happy that everything is working out for you. Barry seems happy enough working for himself. Your mother's not going to be very happy when she sees the mess that you have made. So here we have another word that is jealousy. Jealousy is a noun, and that means a feeling of happiness or anger because someone has something or someone that you want. Jealousy. So here we have some keywords I'm going to highlight in order to be more clear the definition of jealousy. That is a feeling of unhappiness and anger because someone has something that you want. It could be something or someone that you want. Yes? So jealousy is a noun and is a feeling of unhappiness or anger that because someone has something or someone that you want. And I'm going to give you some examples using this word. Well, it's just one example. He broke his brother's new bike in a fit of jealousy. And here we have another word that is jealous, is an adjective. And that means upset and angry because someone that you love seems interested in another person. That means jealous. And also I write two examples using that word. A jealous husband or jealous wife. Anna says that she feels jealous every time another woman looks at her boyfriend. And we also have a word that is sadness, like in the picture. Sadness is a noun and means the feeling of being unhappy, especially because something bad has happened. So here we have also keywords. Sadness is a feeling of being unhappy, especially because something bad has happened. So that means sadness. And here we have some examples using sadness. Remember that sadness is a noun. She spoke over her sadness over her father's death. I knew that behind her smile was sadness. Her eyes expressed deep sadness. What comes across in his later poetry is a great sense of sadness. Here we have sadness, 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 and sadness. And also we have the word sad. Sad is an adjective and means not happy. It's the opposite of happy, sad. I think you don't have problem with this meaning. And here we have some examples using this adjective. I've just received some very sad news. She gave a sad smile. It's sad that the trip had to be cancelled. I'm so sad that you can't come. It's sad to see so many failures this year. I was sad to hear that they split up. And here we have another word that is worry. Worry is a verb, and the definition is to think about problems or unpleasant things that might happen in a way that makes you feel unhappy and frightened. So the key words for worry is when you think about problems that might happen. Yes, that means worry. And here we have some sentences using that word. Try not to worry. There is nothing that you can do to change the situation. Don't worry. She'll be all right. It's silly worrying about the things which are outside your control. She's worried that she might not be able to find another job. And the last word that we are going to learn today is worried. This is an adjective that means unhappy because are thinking about problems or unpleasant things that might happen. Yes, this is going to describe how do you feel. You feel unhappy because you are thinking about problems that are unpleasant or things that might happen. And also here we have some examples using this adjective. She was sitting behind her desk with a worried expression. Look on her face. And the next one. They don't seem particularly worried about the situation. And the last one. He was worried sick. Worried sick means extremely worried when he heard that there had been an accident. So I hope you enjoy and you learn the new vocabulary. I see you during the virtual class. Remember that it's very important that you have to take notes because you have to send me a picture of your notes. So thank you so much and bye bye.